All right, all right. Good morning. We are at the beginning of Wednesday, 10/20, and we have oil, and we have Tesla, and I don't think we have any other substantial news out there. So we're sitting on 5 days of gains from the S&P, and that's usually unusual. You don't often see. I mean, I've seen as many as 7, but usually 3 is common. 3 up days and then a retrace. Here's a 5th day and a retrace. We're leaving a big gap, and we're actually flat on the futures. So I'm kind of feeling today is the day we get that pullback I was looking for. I don't think it's going to be crazy aggressive, but we should get a fairly decent pullback. I'm just thinking in my head as far as a position to take, but I guess I should focus on what I'm doing. So this is what we're looking at. So I wouldn't be surprised if we fill in a gap or two or stay kind of low. I don't think it's going to be anything aggressive, but we should be looking for a pullback nonetheless. So that's it, the short of the long. What's interesting, I'm finding interesting, is I'm looking at the 10-year, and this is actually yesterday's data, but the 10-year, oh, no, this is accurate. The 10-year is 1.625, and it actually dipped down a little bit, but it's been on the rise. I mean, you could see over the past few days, it's been on the rise. So really, tech should be pulling back. So people are just buying on earnings euphoria. And I think that this push up is unsustainable. And I was looking for a move up before another tanking that I expect going into the end of the month. So just watch your downsides on there, or maybe get some ammo ready to buy some securities that you're looking for or looking to go after. Here's a list of the securities that I've been chipping away at. And really, technically, there's no entries. I mean, you just buy them on dips, get them cheap, and yeah, that's it, man. We'll just see what today holds. It should be a quiet day if we don't get an aggressive pullback. Should be a relatively quiet day. So I'm kicking it off at about 9 o'clock. Hope you join me. If you like what I'm doing, hit the subscribe and hit the bell and hit the like, because it goes a long way with the algorithms. You want to talk to me, hit up the chat. And I'm also going to post a phone number that you can call in, and we could talk about stocks. Hey, we could talk about politics, whatever you want to talk about. So if you're down for that during the stream, just it should be in the description, and I'll put it in the chat. Just look for the number and call me up. I'd rather talk about stocks. If you're in a trade and you need to walk through a trade, that's cool. If you're in trouble, I'd like to hear about it. Actually, you know what? It's not that I'd rather talk about stocks. Anything politically incorrect is a lot of fun too. So hit me up, give me a chat, and let's see what's going on. So just remember, when you're trading, you got to be calm, cool, and be at peace when you trade. And good luck trading.